Hello and welcome to MargBooks. In today's video, we will learn how to create a customer in Billing General. There are two ways to create a customer in MargBooks. One, through Masters. Two, while creating a sale bill. To create a customer from Masters, first go to the dashboard. Then, click on the Masters option. Now select Other Masters. After that, click on the Customer option. As soon as you click on Customer, the customer list will open. Now click on the Create option. The customer creation window will now open. First, enter the customer mobile number. Then, enter the ID, customer name, gender, and age as required. If you want to save the customer with only the basic details, simply press F10 or click the Save button. If you want to enter additional details, click on the Contact Details and More options, fill in the required information, and then click Save. Now let's see how to create a customer while creating a sale bill. For this, go to the dashboard. Then, click on the Sale option. Now select the Bill option and click on Create. Enter the customer's mobile number and press Enter. If the mobile number is not already available in the system, the customer creation window will open automatically. Here, you can enter all the required customer details in the same way and then click Save. Your customer will be created successfully and you can now use this customer for sales invoices, receipts, outstanding reports, and other transactions. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.